Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking a very quick dinner where I am cooking some chicken pieces that I have, and I'm baking them in the oven with a layer of potatoes. And this is just a one pan dish. I'm just gonna put everything in the baking tray and then dinner is ready. So for this recipe I've got chicken pieces, about 7 to 8 chicken pieces. I'm adding oil, and then I'm adding my spices. So I'm adding garlic powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm adding black pepper, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then I am adding a teaspoon of turmeric. You can use whatever spices you've got in the pantry, but I've got turmeric. And then I'm adding paprika, a teaspoon of paprika. And then I am adding ginger powder, a teaspoon of ginger powder. And then I think I've got also onion powder. I'm going to add a teaspoon of onion powder. And then I'm going to mix through everything and marinate in a large bowl baking tray. I'm just making a layer of potatoes that I've sliced like this. So just put a layer of potatoes, sorry. Put a layer of potatoes at the base. I think I've used about 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes that are thinly sliced. Now I'm adding a little bit of oil at the bottom on top of the potatoes, adding a little bit of oil. And now I'm putting a layer of the marinated chicken. Just put covered all the potatoes with the chicken. So all the juices from the chicken, they're gonna go on the potatoes, and then this will form a good taste on the potatoes. Now I'm just pouring chicken stock on top of the chicken. This is chicken stock. And then in the oven, baking in the oven for about an hour and a half. The oven was on 150 to 180 degrees for an hour and a half. And this is how the chicken looks. Nice and delicious. Thank you for watching.